Hi buddy, welcome back to answersQ. In this video, we'll see some free online courses to learn UX design. So before we see that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you'll get a notification whenever we upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all those links in description. Do check it out. And here is a small update regarding Coursera. So I hope you all know about Coursera. It's a very good e-learning platform where you can get courses from 275 plus leading universities and companies like Google, Meta, Amazon, Microsoft, Duke University, HEC Paris, John Hopkins. So a lot of topmost universities and companies are offering online courses across different categories like data science, business, computer science, information technology through this Coursera platform. So if you want to learn anything in this platform and if you are willing to purchase any course, instead of buying a single course, you can opt for Coursera Plus subscription. Because with Coursera Plus, you can get unlimited access to all the 7,000 plus world-class courses. And in addition to that, you can also get some guided projects and job-ready certification programs offered by some big companies like Google. So if you are interested in this, just check out the link in description for Coursera Plus and get it. So now let's move on and see the free UX design courses that are offered by Pluralsight. So the courses which we'll be seeing in this video are available for free only for a limited time. So try to make use of this offer as soon as possible and get those free courses. So first, let me tell you what are those 5 courses regarding UX design which Pluralsight has made free for this particular month, that is August 2023. So for this month, that is August 2023, Pluralsight is giving 5 UX design courses for free of cost. So these are the 5 courses. So the first one is Adobe XDCC Fundamentals, and the next one is UX Content Strategy, and the third course is UX Accessibility, and the fourth one in the list is UX Design Systems, and the fifth one is Photoshop CC Fundamentals. So these are the 5 courses which Pluralsight has given for free for this particular month. So now let me tell you how you can enroll in these 5 courses. So I'll give you this page link in description where you can get Pluralsight Free Monthly Courses. So this will get updated for every month. So you can just get the free courses with this page. So just scroll down, see what are the courses that are available for each month. Just scroll down a bit. You will see here a register here button. Just click on this button and you will be directed to a page like this. And here if you just scroll down, you will see here all the courses which we saw, and you can see the duration and what's the level of the course, who's the course instructor. Everything will be given here. So there will be a button here, start watching free courses. So just click on it and you will be directed to a page like this. And here if you already have a Pluralsight account, simply click on the sign in button and log into your Pluralsight account and then follow the process. If you are new to Pluralsight, you can straight away fill out this form and you can just check this box and click on this redeem button and you can just take this offer. So let me just log into my account and fill out this form, and I'll just click on this redeem button and then I'll show you what you have to do. So once you do that registration, you will see a thank you page like this. So what you have to do here is just click on the start learning button and then you will be directed to their learning dashboard. And here if you just scroll down, you can see here 5 free monthly courses UX design. So you can see here these are the courses which we just saw now. So you can just select any course here and you can just enroll in it. For example, if you want to take this UX Content Strategy course, simply click on it and you will be directed to that particular course page. And here you can get all the details regarding this course. So what are the different videos available, what are the topics that are going to be covered, what is the duration. So everything will be given here. You can just go through it before enrolling in the course. So now once you are ready for everything, you can simply click on the start course button and you can start learning for free. So that's it. Once you click on start course, you will be enrolled in the course. You can see what are the videos available on the right side. So it's a simple process to take these courses. Now let me tell you how you can get your certificate for free of cost after completing any of these 5 courses. So for that, what you need to do here is just click on your icon at the right top and you will see here profile, trophy case, notes, history. So click on history. And here you can see all the courses in which you have enrolled in so far in Pluralsight platform. So I have taken all these courses. So now you might wonder that we just enrolled in UX Content Strategy course, but it is not available here because it will take some time to process. So once it is done, you will see here the course in which you have enrolled in. So you can complete the course, and once you complete the course, this play icon will change into a badge like this. So once you complete the course fully, you can click on this badge icon and you can get your certificate for that particular course in Pluralsight. So it's a very simple process to get your certificate as well. So I hope you'll find these 5 courses offered by Pluralsight for you learning UX design very useful. So like I said earlier, this will be available only for this month, that is August 2023. So make use of these 5 free courses and learn from it. They're also providing a free certificate for all the courses. That will also be helpful for you. You can share it in your LinkedIn profile, you can share it in your resume as well. So if you want to get more updates about online courses, you can simply subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever we upload a video like this.